Hi, I'm Larry with the Inside Tract. If you're an Inside Tract member, I have some exciting news for you, and you may want to make some changes to your account. Let me show you why. This is our new Tract and Model Report, and this is the name of an agent who specializes in this tract. This will change every day, featuring another agent from our list of tract specialists. Who is a specialist? Any agent who downloaded a premium report. We believe these agents probably know more about this tract than most other agents. These agents are our tract specialist. Why are we doing this? Over the years, we discovered that many other people, including buyers and sellers, were searching for tracts and models. We thought maybe some of these people might like to contact an agent who specializes in this tract. Here's a list of other agents who specialize in this tract. Notice that some agents have listed more than just their name. You can choose what items will be listed in your account settings, and we've made this easy for you to do. On the home page, at the top of the left column, is a button labeled My Account. Click on this button. Enter your email address, password, and click Login. You may notice that we've added a lot more settings. Notice also that we have grouped these settings by category: My Personal Information, My Professional Information, and My Promotional Information. I'll click on Edit My Personal Info. Here's a list of items that I can edit. I'll add my apartment number and click Update. And here's my confirmation. I'll click on Review My Account. Now I'll click Edit My Professional Info. I'll update my company, my real estate board, and click Update. Again, I'll review my settings. Finally, I'll click Edit My Promotional Info. Here's where you can control what people will see in the tract and model code reports. Select Yes to those items that you want to appear, and if you don't want any information to appear, select No for Show My Name. This will prevent all your information from appearing on any tract and model code report. How will you know what tracts your name will appear? One good method is to check your statement. This shows all the activity in your account. For example, here's a list of premium reports that I've downloaded. Remember, the program will only look for tract reports you downloaded in the past 2 years. Your name will not appear for reports you downloaded prior to January 1st, 2018. It's always a good idea to change your password frequently. Click on Change My Password to do this. When you are finished, remember to log out. This is important because you don't want anyone else to change your settings. The Inside Tract is here to serve you. Thank you for your support. To learn more, visit our website at insidetract.net.